Okay, the word is out. The word is out that you have been struggling. You've been struggling trying to figure out these titles. And it just seems like you can't get it right. And it's like you repeat, 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 and you just can't get these titles right. Well, guess what? I have news for you. Yes, I don't know if you've heard of it, but vidIQ for YouTube. Yes, vidIQ is here to the rescue. Yes, when I tell you using vidIQ has, oh my gosh, changed everything. Changed everything for me with my titles, with my thumbnail. It gives you a score for your thumbnail. It gives you a score for your titles. It is such an amazing tool to have. And guess what? It's free. Yes, it's free to sign up. They do have paid options, but we want to go with the free. We want to go with the free because if you want to grow your channel, vidIQ is the place to be. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull vidIQ up. I'm going to show you the steps, how to go about signing up and everything like that. So let's get started. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so these are all my videos here. So what you do is you go ahead up here to this screen and you put VID. I already have it here. VID for YouTube. And you're going to click on that. And then you'll click. They have the pricing plans and stuff right here. And they have a 7-day free trial. But remember, if you do that free trial, don't forget that you did it because they're going to charge you $16.58 a month if you forget. And they also have coaching over here for $19.99 a month. But we don't want to pay for anything because groceries are already through the roof. So we can't afford to pay anything. So what we want to do, we want the free version. And all you do, you click the sign up. Oh, free. It says free sign up. You click that button right there. And so this is what it'll look like. You'll have click on the sign up, and then it'll tell you everything that you need to do. It'll ask you for your email address and your password, whatever you set up. So you'll click sign up, and then you'll do everything that it tells you to do. Okay, so let's get out of that window and let's go back over here. So here is, I changed all these titles tonight. I changed them because I was like, let me give you an example. So we have this right here. So I'm going to click on it right now. Right now, currently I have delicious cauliflower mashed potato topped with pepper steak. So let's click on it. 100 on the thumbnail. So these are the options that it will give, like to change the title. And over here is a score for the title. So the first one is cauliflower mash, the steak dinner that won't make you fat. And then it's scored a 90. The next one is cauliflower mash. Is cauliflower mash worth the hype? That's 79. Then we have the dish that got me kicked out of culinary school. That's 90. So let's do this one right here. We're going to do cauliflower mash, the steak dinner that won't make you fat. We need that. So the title is 90. And look, the thumbnail is 100. And then you can just scroll on down here and it'll tell you exactly what all it entails. It says great intrigue elements. The title clearly, I don't know, juxtapose, I don't know, something they say. A familiar indulgence with a surprising twist. Enticing viewers to discover how a seemingly rich meal can be guilt-free. So that's it, it's guilt-free. And these are just some descriptions that they have. So we're going to go ahead and click publish. and we published it. And then you'll have other titles that come up, but we're going to go ahead and stick with that first title, Cauliflower Mashed Steak Dinner That No One Asked For. Then you just X out of it. And over here, these are the options. So we're going to click on each one. So today, so it has optimized your latest video. So this is my latest video here, but I've already optimized it. But it gave me a 60 for the thumbnail. So maybe I need to try another thumbnail. I'll try another thumbnail. And then daily video ideas, they're here. And then look, view all rather. And you can click on view all. Look at all these titles, these personalized ideas. Recreate Salvador. How to prepare quick family meals on a low income. Oh, that's good right there. And look, view prediction, very high. And then look, it goes to high, medium, and it just keeps going down. Oh, wow. So you see what I'm saying about how good vidIQ is for you to have every day. Every day. Next, we got optimize. So this is the optimize when you just click on your video like I just did. And so I got a 90 on the title, a 98. So that's what optimize means. Let's see. Let's click on generate. Start your next video. Anything you like to make a video about. So here you will put, let's see. What we gonna say? Anything you would like to make a video about. Let's say, oh gosh, what would be a good theme? Oh, how to make money on YouTube. How to make money on YouTube. Okay, generate. Skip for now. Look at this, y'all. Look, oh my goodness. It gets how to make money on YouTube. These are related keywords, YouTube automation, and look at the scores. Then title, make money on YouTube fast. It's a 79. That's the number. And here's the description. It writes a description out for you. Want to know the secrets to making money on YouTube fast? In this video, we'll reveal the top strategies and tips to monetize your YouTube channel quickly and easily. Oh, wow. Look at the tags, y'all. Look at the tags. And here, wow. Would you look at this? This will do everything for you. I never clicked on this far. I'm gonna be honest. But look at this thumbnail. This is the hook. Join me as I take on the challenge of making money on YouTube. Can I do it in just 1 month? Oh, wow. And here's your outline. How about that? Start with the surprises. It's telling you what to do. Hook, 15 seconds. Start with a surprising statistic about how quickly people can earn money on YouTube. Introduction. Introduce the concept of making money on YouTube. Presentation of problem/challenge. Discuss the common misconceptions and challenges that new creators face when trying to monetize their channels. Wow, look at this. Exploration/development. Provide actionable strategies for making money on YouTube. Climax/key moment. Reveal a success story or case study of a YouTuber who achieved significant earnings quickly. Then the conclusion. Wow, it gives you a whole breakdown. Then at the end, guess what? Encourage viewers to leave comments about their own experience. Y'all, let me see. And then it says here, generate script. Wow. This is the script, y'all. This is the script right here. Oh my God. If you don't sign up for vidIQ right now, you can take your channel to a whole nother level with vidIQ. Because I didn't know they do it. I didn't even click on all them buttons. But guess what? We're learning together. We are learning together. It says, this is the script. Join me as I take on the challenge of making money on YouTube fast. Can I do it in just 1 month? And then it tells you anything. One of the biggest misconceptions that is that you need millions of subscribers to make money. Wow, this is it. And then you can do a voiceover. Let's see. I guess you just click on the voice. Let's see.
Join me as I take on the challenge of making money on YouTube fast. Can I do it in just 1 month? Making money on YouTube sounds like a dream come true, and trust me, it's a lot more achievable than you think. With millions of active users, YouTube offers an incredible opportunity for creators to turn their passion into a profitable business. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech guru or a marketing expert to get started. All you need is the willingness to learn and put in the effort. I know what you're thinking,
That is cool. Sign up for vidIQ. This is going to take your channel to a whole different level. Guess what? I'm gonna try it first. I'm gonna try it. Sign up. vidIQYouTube.com. So let's go to thumbnails. And here you'll type in what you want. Just say it's a describe the thumbnail you would like to create. How to make money on YouTube. Let's see what comes up. Let's see. Create. Let's see. It's thinking. Sign up for vidIQ. You will not be disappointed. Look at that. Learn the secrets. And then you can actually change it if you want to. You could change it to something different right here. And it's like, wait, what? I could change it. Yep. See? Describe any design changes you would like. And then you put it there and then make changes. Oh, let's see. Let's see this one. Get started YouTube. These are some examples. Create your own channel. Wow, I like that. That's the thumbnail. Let's go to keywords. Top keyword opportunities. Top search terms. Oh, that's for my channel. Let me see. Keyword. Okay. Rising keywords. Let's see. Rat dance. Hurry up tomorrow. Okay. Wow, y'all. Make sure you sign up. Let's click on outliers. What is it? Discover winning ideas to inspire your next video. Oh, wow. Look at that. These are ideas that you can use right now. We got Trump in the White House. Look at all these ideas. All these ideas, y'all. They're here. And let's see. I think I did these ideas. Okay. We did the ideal. So this is, I forgot what I clicked on, y'all. Let's go. Start from your idea. So this is ideals here, and you'll just fill in the blank or whatever. Excuse me, y'all. Something in my throat. Then create. We don't create. Excuse me. And that's the coach. Remember I was telling y'all about coach, basic chat, YouTube expert. Oh, wow. Okay. Top videos from your competitors. All right. Okay. SEO. Tag recommendations. Then we got subscribers. Okay. Learn. Excuse me, y'all. And that is it. That is it. vidIQ is it. Because vidIQ is doing some things. Generate. Make money on YouTube fast. Title. Description. Tags. Thumbnail. The hook. Then guess what? You can even generate the script. And you don't have to talk. That's it. They got a whole voiceover for you. So let's get started with vidIQ, you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed with vidIQ, because I'm about to look more into it. Because I'm like, wait, what? If you want to grow your channel, if you want to get more views, if you want to get monetized, sign up for vidIQ YouTube. It is absolutely free. Absolutely free. You will not be disappointed at all. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. So let me go check this out. vidIQ, sign up for it. Grow that channel. Get that money. YouTube want to pay that money. Get the money. Get the money, because YouTube is paying the money. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it.